Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 20. I have a quick centerpiece DIY for you. I'm using these, I think they're called anchor hugging jars. You know what these are. A lot of us have them. You put like flour or sugar in them. I'm using jars I already had. They're nice and wide and perfect for this project. I am going to use this kosher salt. I'm going to pour it in a nice thick layer at the bottom here. I'm trying to make little winter scenes, and I think kosher salt is perfect for this. I like the texture, but anything would work for this. You could use sugar, regular table salt, powdered sugar. You could use flour. Go with what you have. I had a ton of kosher salt on hand. I know a lot of us do this time of year. So I poured a healthy amount in the bottom, and then I'm going to use these little battery operated LED candles. I got them at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put one right in the center, and then I'm going to top it with this like brown wooden little house that I got at Target. They're so cute. I found a bunch of these in the Target dollar spot. It was just $3. I like it because it looks kind of like a gingerbread house, and I'm going for like that edible look. This is in my dining room, which is right off my kitchen. I'm using cookie jars and I'm using salt. I'm using all these kind of like food items. I wanted it to look like little gingerbread houses, so I'm going to do the same thing over here. This is a little bit smaller of a jar, and so I got a smaller house, of course, and I'm going to add in my jar and my lights, and then I'm going to also put in, I've got like little Christmas trees, and they're kind of like candy cane themed, super cute. I love these little tea lights and how they glow inside the house. It makes it look like the house is lit up from the inside. So here's the Christmas tree I was talking about. This came from Walmart. It's actually an ornament. I just cut the string off the top and it was $1.50. I love the look of this. These look like the kind of retro throwback peppermint Christmas trees our grandmas had. I don't know if your grandmother had these growing up, but mine did. So really cute, and it's kind of tight. I had to play with it to make it fit, so that's going in there. And then I'm going to do a third jar, and I couldn't make a house fit in my third jar, so I'm going to do 2 Christmas trees. Another one of these peppermint trees, and then that one on the left, that gold glittery one, that came from a local dollar store of mine called the Dollar Zone, so it was just $1. It was an ornament as well. I think that's a great trick. Don't just look for decorative items for this kind of project. Look for like different inexpensive ornaments and see how you can use them to make Christmas scenes. And so you'll see I put my tea light in before I poured my salt, and then I'm pouring the salt so the tea light will kind of stay hidden. And this is the final look. I really love how it came out, and it's not cumbersome. It's great as a centerpiece. I can move it around really easily. I'm gonna leave these tea lights on. I'm not gonna worry about going in and turning them off. Dollar Tree tea light candles like this, they last for a number of days, so it will stay lit through Christmas for me. And that's it. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget, hit that red subscribe button to follow along as I finish out Vlogmas, a new video every single day this month leading up to Christmas. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.